How to set up two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily set up a two-factor authentication on Facebook. First thing first, go to your Facebook app and make sure that you're logged in. Then the next step is to go to your menu icon at the top right. From there, tap on the gear icon right beside the search icon to go to settings, and then head over to Account Center. Once you land on the Account Center page, all you have to do is just go to the Password and Security tab, and you'll have an option to set up two-factor authentication right here. Then just select your Facebook account or whichever account you want to set up two-factor authentication on. And then finally, you will be sent a verification code on your email, so just make sure to enter the code here. If you haven't gotten the code, you can tap on Try Another Way, and it will send a if you have a phone number connected, it will have an option to send your code there. So tap on continue and just enter the code. Now once you paste your code, tap on continue, and if the code is valid, you will have this option. So you can either set up an authentication app, SMS, or WhatsApp. So if you just set up authentication app, tap on next. You'll get a one-time code that you can copy to Google Authenticator. So go ahead and copy this, or you could just directly scan the QR code from here. Now just tap on next, and you will get a code on your Authenticator app. You just have to enter it here, then tap on next, and your two-factor verification should be set up. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.